I welcome to my food art. This is the I made from the BG seeds to make a cockroach from and the cucumber to make the caterpillar and the black cardamom to make the body and the cockroach leaf to make the wings.
Oh my God! What is that leaf used for? Which leaf is
Coriander
that? Curry
leaf.
Coriander leaves, बोलो.
Coriander leaves. And this is
A mint leaf.
mint leaf. It's a
Very
cucumber.
nice, very nice. So we've got beans here, we've got cucumber, we've got cardamom, and we've got leaves. And how did we get this idea, Rishan? This is such a good idea.
My mom, I said it for my mommy. My mommy made it for me.
Okay, so we together did it as a team, Mommy and Rishan. Yeah?
Talk to ma'am. Rishan, please
Okay,
don't
so in
jump. Come.
total, how many insects are there in your food art? Total.
3.
Which ones?
This is a cockroach and this is a caterpillar and this is a butterfly.
So how many in total? How many different insects make total?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Okay, count once more. There's one cockroach, then a second, and then a third.
1,
That's 1, 2, 3. Then there's one caterpillar, that's 4. And there's one butterfly,
Rishan.
that is 5. So how many insects in total, Rishan?
5.
5.
Show me on your fingers. Oh, very good. Okay, let's see if our audience has any questions to ask you. Anybody who's keen to ask a nice question? Asabri has a question. Come along. पूछो असabri, question क्या है आपका? दोबारा पूछो बच्चे. Why there is 5? Okay, so Asabri wants to know why are we saying there are 5 insects? Rishan, can you count the 5 insects for her once again?
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5, 6,
No.
5.
Count again. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's it. There's one caterpillar and one butterfly.
1 butterfly and 1 caterpillar and 1 cockroach.
3 cockroaches.
3 cockroaches.
Thank you, Rishan. Asabri.
1, 2, 3.
He's put many cucumbers, but that is one caterpillar. Okay?
What is your present project name?
She's
What
asking.
happened, Anthony? Say that again.
What is your present project name, Rishan?
Name she's asking. What is it called? Food
Name
art.
of your project.
Food art.
The food art. Okay? He's done the artwork using something which you can eat. So it's called food art.
But I
Okay,
can
but
eat this even.
Once it goes on paper, now we can't eat it, Rishan. Please don't pluck it and eat it. Okay? Remember that. Yeah?
Come here.
I say
Any other
I can
question?
eat it.
Yes, you
I
can.
think Arav has a nice question.
Let's see what
what's
Arav
your
is saying.
question?
Rishan, listen to Arav's question, please.
I have no questions.
Oh.
Okay. That's also okay. So what happens to the caterpillar?
Rishan, ma'am
Does
is
it turn
asking.
into the butterfly?
It's turned into butterfly even.
Yes. So if he keeps his food art in the cupboard, then maybe after
He have
some
a
days,
wing on his
there
tail.
will be 2
He can't
butterflies over
fly.
there, isn't it?
2
And the
butterflies.
one caterpillar would be gone. Yes, Rishan, that magic can happen someday.
Yes.
Okay, we have a nice question coming. Who is the person asking?
See, somebody has a question for you.
Okay, now I know your camera on the side.
Harika has a question.
Ask your question. Sweetheart, थोड़ा ऊंचा बोलो. I can't hear you at all. थोड़ा louder. Your mic is off. Yeah, come closer. Rishan, Ridan wants to know which materials did you use?
Tell Ridan, what all have you used?
I take a
Lychee seed.
I take a lychee seeds and a cucumber and a black cardamom and chorus leaves.
Okay, Ridan. Lychee seed, cucumber, black cardamom, and leaves. Okay?
Chorus leaves.
Okay, thank you. And we move on to our final presenter,
Say thank you to
which
everybody,
is
Rishan.
Hriday.
Thank you.
So, thank you, Rishan. That was amazing. Very impressed.